Hi, welcome to the journey of Rise. And if you're new, welcome. And to my subbies and my Loc friends, welcome back. Today's video will be short, sweet, and fun as I am doing a lock count video as requested from my 7-month video. So as I get my hair section off, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if this is something that you're interested in, stay tuned. So I'm back with my hair sectioned off. I did it in 5 sections. I'll also be using my calculator, so therefore I can just press equal to get that lock count. So let's get into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So 25 locks on this one. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So 26 locks on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So 23 locks on this one. So 25, 26, 23. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 locks on this one. So now for the final one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12. And then let's just do this again. Let's see who can remember. So this side was 25, 26, 23, 12, and 14. Now for some math facts. So I had 25, 26, 23, 12, and 14. Yeah, 12 and 14. So that all adds up to 100 starter locks or 100 teenage locks. I think it's teenage, no. 100 teenage locks, and really 100% satisfied, no pun intended. My locks are gonna be exactly how I want them to look. I just love the thickness of it. Thank you so much for tuning in with me and counting my locks with me. And just for FYI, these are gonna be my new best friends because this look, I love it. Just a simple put over neck, turn to the side, knot it, boop, that's it. So I'm gonna get some different colors so that I can have fun with it. So thank you again so much for tuning in. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and share with all of your friends. And I'll see you until next time. See ya!